Hello everyone, this is Tesh from IT Support KBR. I'm planning to create a video series to guide you how to use SwiftPOS backoffice. From this video, I'm going to give you an introduction about SwiftPOS and its use. Let's go to the SwiftPOS backoffice. Just simply double click and it will load the app. From here, you can see the version of the SwiftPOS you are using. So at the moment, we are using version 10. The loading time might depend on the database you are using. All right, let me bring it to the sharing screen. Okay, so for the first time when you log in, you have to give your ID and password. So for here, I'm going to enter my staff ID, which is 100183, and also the reference of your PIN. Once you enter those, you can see the inside of the back office, and from the left side you can see all the menus, and each of these menus there's some sub menus inside. So for example, if you want to go and check about your sales and about sales things, so it will be here. And these products is to edit or change prices or anything about your products. And also you can check the inventory. So for the inventory management, so here we got suppliers, clerks, members, and accounts, administration, and touch settings. So you can go and check all your terminals which is using in your business. And even here you can see the keyboards, like the actual terminals which you have in your outlets. Uh, and also here, this one is for your discounts and etc. So all of these features are very interesting. I will teach you and bring more information about in my future videos. And on the top of the grid, so you can go to the manual guide from clicking from this help button, or you can simply click F1 tool from your keyboard, and then it will guide you for the terminal. And one more thing about this help button, so you can, like, rather than just clicking F1 and go through all the informations, you can, like, if you want to know something exact, for example about product records or for about families, so you can click that one, and then if you press F1, it will direct you for the families, and then just click here and then you can get from the families. So rather than go through all the user manual, you can easily go through that. So that's another tip I want to show you. And also, if you go further about tools, there's few more information here about your database, and also you can change your language settings and etc. And closing, so if you have opened several tabs, let me open few more. Like allergens, product labels, and so you can simply close this one as normal window from, like, selecting this X from here, or otherwise you can close from selecting this one So both of them will close one by one. But if you want to close all together, so you can simply click close all screens, and that will give you this pop-up message. So that's to make sure if you have like anything you haven't saved before, so you can simply select yes, and then it will clean all the tabs you have open. And if you go for the bottom of the grid, so you can see the time and date, and also your database information and your server, and also your clerk name, and also the version of the software you're using. And so yes, this is about the introduction about SwiftPOS. I hope this video gave you an idea about SwiftPOS, and feel free to check on my future videos to get more features and tips about SwiftPOS. Keep in touch. Thank you.